We'll guide you through how to see what ChatGPT looks like. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in with your OpenAI account. So if you don't have one, create an account by clicking on the sign up button. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main ChatGPT interface. Here, you'll notice a simple and clean layout designed to make your interaction with the AI easy and intuitive. The center of the screen is where the conversation happens. You'll see a text box at the bottom where you can type in your questions or prompts. Above this input area, there's usually a prompt to start the conversation, such as ask me anything. As you type your messages and hit enter, ChatGPT's responses will appear in bubbles above, just like a chat conversation on the left. There's usually a sidebar where you can see options for starting a new chat, viewing past conversations, or accessing your settings. The settings can be useful if you want to customize your experience, like adjusting notification preferences or managing your account details. If you want to explore more features, look for any additional icons or menus that might offer tutorials or tips on getting the most out of ChatGPT. Remember, the interface might slightly change over time as updates roll out, but the core design is meant to be user-friendly and straightforward. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.